Hello everyone. Today I'm talking about your application which may be delayed or refused, and it may be rejected because it wasn't complete. But if it's refused, the letter that is issued by the officer is generally it has basic reasons, is generic, has the standard basic template, which might not give you a clear picture or details any clarity about the reasons for refusal. And you may want to find out about the progress of your application if it's been pending for a long time, maybe longer than the normal processing time, or if you've heard nothing about it. In such cases, you can request GCMS Notes. GCMS, or the Global Case Management System, is Citizenship and Immigration Canada's single, integrated and worldwide system used internally to process applications for citizenship and immigration services. These notes are issued under the ATIP, or Access to Information and Privacy Act. These notes include all the correspondence to and from IRCC, and only a person who is in Canada can request the notes. To be eligible to order the GCMS notes from IRCC, from Immigration, Refugees and Citizenship Canada, you must either be a Canadian citizen, a Canadian permanent resident, or an individual or a corporation present in Canada. If you have friends or family here in Canada, they can help you with this process with filing for GCMS notes. But if you do not have anyone here, then you will have to go through a representative. And if someone else is requesting it on behalf of the principal applicant, then you need a consent form from the principal applicant. It takes around 30 to 45 days to receive it by email. And this consent form is valid for 1 year, and the same form can be submitted with each new ATIP request. You can find out about different kinds of Canadian immigration applications, like temporary residence, permanent residence, sponsorship applications, permanent resident card, authorization to return to Canada, express entry profile, medical, landing record, also about your refugee claim, about pre-removal risk assessment, and also about rehabilitation for people who are inadmissible to Canada. So maybe you have an application pending, or your application has been refused, and you plan to reapply, you plan to resubmit your application. Then, by obtaining these notes, it becomes easier and clear to understand the reasons for the refusal. And this can be applied online or by email. If your application has been denied and you apply again without knowing the reasons, then and knowing exactly what went wrong, then you might repeat the same mistake. And don't worry, it will not impact your application adversely in any way. It's not going to delay your application. It's also safe to apply for this. And maybe someone else, some other representative had filed your case, and he's not giving you any answers. You are eager, you are anxious, you are worried to find out what's going on. And also, though it's not very common, but it is possible that the officer might have made some error, and you might be able to appeal that decision. You may have limited time to do so. So we can help you with filing this request, also help you in analyzing the problems, what went wrong in your case when you file this application. So please get in touch with us, share, subscribe and like our video, and stay tuned for more information and more updates about Canadian immigration. Thank you.